Welcome everyone, Sarah Muirhead with Beef Magazine. I have with me Dr. Megan Schnur, technical service veterinarian with Northbrook North America, and we're going to talk generic antibiotics. Tell me a little bit about what is the current role of generic antibiotics in livestock production and how common is their use?
Well, thank you, Sarah. I appreciate the opportunity today. When it comes to generic antibiotics in today's livestock industry, they're very widely used because they do provide another cost-effective solution to a producer's and veterinarian's toolbox when it comes to treating a wide range of diseases in cattle and swine.
What about the safety and efficacy of generics? Are they comparable to the pioneer brands?
So there's a lot of myths and misconceptions when it comes to generic pharmaceuticals, and when it comes to the development and approval process, the FDA regulates generic pharmaceuticals to the same high standards as they do pioneer pharmaceuticals. And so that would include not only safety and efficacy, but also generic pharmaceuticals are required to have the same active ingredient and the same concentration with the same dosage route and regimen and the same route of administration.
Manufacturing standpoint, same rigorous standards from a pioneer compared to generics?
Absolutely. So generics are held to the same standards as the FDA holds the pioneer pharmaceutical companies to, and that includes not only the manufacturing process, but also the testing and approval and the before, during, and after marketing submissions to the FDA.
So generics, as they came on the market, in your opinion, would you say that they kind of drove a lot more innovation from a research, development, new product standpoint for producers?
Absolutely. So that's one of the key places that generic pharmaceuticals play in the industry as a whole. We drive not only innovation as in the animal health industry from a research and innovation standpoint, because we're always driving the pioneer companies to come out with newer, more innovative and effective options for treating diseases in cattle and swine. But also within our company at Northbrook, we're always looking for ways to innovate upon products, whether that be through improving a formulation of a product to result in a more syringeable product, or putting a product in a plastic bottle, or combining two products into one. So we're always looking to drive innovation.
What about from a cost standpoint, comparing the pioneer brand products to the generic products? Is there much difference, or what can producers expect in that front?
Yeah, so in addition to having a safe and effective product through a generic pharmaceutical, producers can also expect to have a significant cost savings as well. And in the year we're in 2020, I know everyone's gone through a lot of financial challenges, and so anything we can do as an industry to help lower the cost to a producer when it comes to treating their animals is something that's going to be very beneficial for everyone.
Very good. Well, thank you so much, Megan, for joining us. Appreciate your insight and the discussion on generic antibiotics. Thank you all for joining us.